Hi guys, good evening to all of you. Let us start session. Guys, yesterday's script, what is it completed, guys? Any issues? Guys, have you completed this script? Click buttons and links in the demo QA application. Hello? Guys, anybody completed the buttons and links in the
Sir, button is not clicking, sir. It's showing, it is throwing errors.
which button is not clicking?
That in home page.
In the home page.
Yes, that XPATH.
Yeah, XPATH, what is the buttons button? No, same, right?
Same.
Whatever I have given in the script, the same thing you should use, right?
Yes, sir.
That is not working.
Not working, sir. It is throwing error.
Anybody else, guys? Anybody else tried the script? Yes, Chandana?
Throwing errors.
Ganesh? So all of you tried same error, huh? Hello, Ganesh.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Is it completed?
Yes, throwing error, sir.
What error is throwing? Show me that.
One
Yes,
second,
can
sir.
you? Who will share the screen?
I joined in mobile, sir. I need time to join in that.
Yes, anybody can share the screen. Hello. Guys, what is the problem now? Response. Guys, have you tried it or not? You said that there is some error. Can you share me the screen? What is the error? Guys, others, now can you please, Chandana, what about Chandana?
Hello,
Are you
sir.
facing issue?
Yes, sir. I got an error.
What is that
So
error?
I'm changing the resolution and I'm checking the output, sir.
So you also have resolution 150? Or is it
125 it is there, sir.
Okay, okay. Then change that settings and rerun. Chandrasekhar?
Okay.
Yeah, sir, same issue.
Yeah?
Doing, sir, same issue.
Same issue. Okay, please check that. Sai Kumar? Oh, Sai.
Same problem, sir.
Santosh?
So I didn't trade, sir.
Yeah.
I will share you by. I didn't trade. I will share you by Saturday.
Didn't try that.
Yes, sir.
Why script not created?
No, no, sir. Yesterday I have some other work.
Shiva?
Yes, sir, done it, sir, right.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Vanita?
Yes, sir. Working on it, sir.
It's working fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Wasim?
Yes, sir. Working.
Veda, that Deepika,
Yes, sir. Working, sir.
working fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all of you completed these two buttons and links, is it? Yeah. Okay, guys, good. Guys, today's topic is ISMA.
So
Anybody saw?
for buttons, we need to take the class name or ID, sir.
Whichever is available.
But I'm not getting the output if I take ID or class name, sir. Ganesh, can you tell me what you have taken? Ganesh, you got the output, right? So shall I share my screen sequence?
Sandana, he has joined back.
ID you can use easily. ID or name you can use.
With ID, I have tried, sir.
What is ID value is there?
Item 1, sir.
Oh, for button. This one you are talking
Yes.
in the home page button.
Yes, sir.
In the home page, you have to see here XPATH. I have given in the document, right? The snapshot of the script I created yesterday in the last session. There I am using XPath, right? You should not use ID. XPath you have to use. That is available in the document also. You can refer the document and take that XPath.
Okay, I'll check once, sir.
Yes, check XPath you have to use, not ID.
Okay. With XPath also I have tried, sir. XPath BTN iPhone link active /div4 I have taken it, sir.
No. Which element you are saying that not working? Home page button or after clicking
Oh,
that
not
menu?
after element. In the home page it is there, na, sir. After clicking the element below of that, it is there, na, sir, button.
Hmm. Say this button or is this button, Chandana?
I could not see your screen, sir.
Oh, it's not shared. Yes, now are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
This button you are talking?
Element already I have done it, sir.
Okay, this is done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here, buttons, is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, what is the problem here? So you have to use this one, L1.
I have taken that only, sir.
Item 4,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Item.
Instead of item 4, I have mentioned as D4. So I need to mention as item 4, sir. XPath I have taken, sir.
No, don't
Just
take
ID
XPath.
also.
Why ID? ID is there, right? You can use directly ID.
With ID also I have tried, sir. But it's not working.
Why not working?
With ID I have tried. With class name I have tried.
No, that's why. First of all, is it visible in your in the screen? Button menu is visible.
Yes, sir.
Then why it's not working? Here I'm taking this. I'm clicking first menu. Just I copied the same code, and here we have to click on item 4, right?
Yes, sir.
After clicking item 4, I have to identify these elements. ID is available. So again, I can use ID. Okay, now let me run and see, is it running or not? Else I have to call this, right? I will comment to this checkbox. What is the exception you are getting? Is it same exception?
Exemption in the thread main.
No, this one. Click intercepted.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Same thing.
Now let me check my resolution. Maybe my application is looking big one. So 125. Okay. 100% it should be. Yeah. Now let me run, guys. We will see that one more time. See, that is not completely visible. Maybe that is a reason. So it is working, right? Okay, now it is working fine, I guess. If this button is not clicked, right? It's clicked, but message not coming now. Okay, these are all double click. Okay, okay. We have to do on this button, we have to double click, and here we have to do right click, and here click. So you have to automate only this button, guys. You right now don't automate these two. A double click and right click. That we have to not a discuss, right? How to automate right click and double click. So just now you can automate only this button, click me button. If you click this button, you should get message. Okay. So that's all. Guys, anybody else, any issues? Anybody have any issues now? In buttons and links scripts, guys? No? Any more issues, guys?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Yes, similarly, you can do this links also. Double pages are coming. Yes. Yes, today we are going to start a new concept, locator XPath, okay, which is very important. Yes, here I have written small notes about XPath. So what is XPath, guys? XPath is a query language. It is called query language used to define or to identify, I can say that, to define HTML tag or node path, not correct one, used to identify, I can say that, not define, to identify XML or HTML tag or nodes. So that is a use of XPath, guys. What is XPath? By using XPath, we can identify XML node or HTML node inside XML file or HTML file. So that is the use of XPath. So there are two types of XPaths. First one is absolute path, or we can call it as full path. Absolute path, or we can also call it full path. So the full path means the path of that particular element, any element, will be defined starting from the root tag. Root tag means, see here, in the HTML file. See, this is the root tag, HTML. It is a starting, the first element, first HTML element. So starting from this element, so whatever the element you want to identify inside this file, up to that element, what are all the elements are there in between? So all the elements will be defined in the XPath. So that is called full path. All of you got it, guys? Understand what is the full path? It always begins single slash. The full path always should be started with single slash. And one more thing, we never use this full path in the real-time projects. Okay, guys, because if we use full path, see, suppose if the developer changes or add any new HTML element, or if he remove any existing HTML element in between the element that you are identifying and from the root tag element, in between there will be so many HTML elements, right? Suppose if the developer inserts a new element, or if he removes existing element in this path, that element cannot be identified. Understand, guys? So that means there is a chance of getting more failures if you are using full path. Even for small change in the HTML file, your full path cannot identify HTML element or web element, guys. So that is a reason we don't prefer to use a full path or absolute path. So mostly always we should use a relative path, the second one. What is this relative path? So this relative XPath, right, should not start with root tag. Okay, guys, it should not begin with root tag. From where it will be started, the relative XPath? From any web element with a unique attribute. Suppose I want to find, say that example. Suppose I want to find this link, okay? I'm highlighting that link HTML element. Suppose, yes, see here, this one. So this is the element I want to find, right? To identify this element, you no need to define the XPath starting from the root tag HTML always. Instead of that, from this element, okay, nearby which element is having unique attribute, you can find it. From this element, you go to its parent element. First, you check that whether that element is having unique attribute. See, this element having a unique attribute. There is no unique attribute available for this element itself. You got it, guys. ID is available. So I can use that directly. XPath can be defined starting from this element itself. That is enough. Suppose if there is no unique attribute available in this element, then you can check with its parent element. What is its parent element? UL. Whether is there any unique attribute available for this parent element? No, not available. Then go its parent. All of you clear? Not only parent, guys. You can also check nearby, the next sibling, whether this element is having unique attribute. So like that, you have to find the nearby element with some unique value, with unique attribute. Okay, guys. If that element doesn't have any unique attributes, then you can search for the element with some unique attribute nearby to that, near to that element. And from that element, you can start defining XPath. So relative XPath should not be defined always from the HTML root tag. From where it will be defined? From any web element with unique attribute, guys. That is an important point. And always relative XPath should begin with double slash. Absolute path begins with a single slash, and relative XPath begins with double slash. Please keep in that mind, okay, point.
So
Okay, guys.
unique attribute means class will come, sir. What comes under unique attribute, sir?
No, unique attribute means attribute with unique value. That means for the same attribute, that value should not